everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick guide of how to use Natural Reader properly. Using the Natural Reader effectively in this year is much more easier because of its updated features. You want to start, of course, installing the software or accessing the web version. Then choose your preferred voice, which are right here Jessica, Bill, Chris, and Jesse, and I think there's a lot more. And with that, to get the most out of it, you want to import your text from documents like PDFs or web pages and use the highlighting tools to focus on key selections. After that, you want to take advantage of the pronunciation editor to ensure tricky words are read correctly and use the built-in notes or bookmark features to organize your content. For long-term productivity, pair Natural Reader with your study or work routine by creating custom playlists or reading schedules. So by exploring these tools fully and adjusting settings to your preferences, you can turn Natural Reader into a seamless, highly efficient assistant for reading, learning, or content review.